Keeping a consistent environment aligned between production, staging, development is really hard. And this is where Docker come in. Back before containers for ships were invented, getting goods from one country to another was really hard by boat because people came with all sorts of things, different sizes and different needs. That's why they invented containers as standard. So if you could put your stuff into a container, they would ship it. Made everything easier by that. The same thing goes for software now. We use the analogy container within Linux and Windows, where you put your code into a container and thereby you can build it, ship it and deploy it. In our Docker training, you'll learn best practices, get hands-on experience and learn how to build your own container with your own code into it. And you'll then be able to ship that to the Docker Hub or wherever you want. For more information about our Docker training, please head out to our website. Thank you.